Hello, how are you? I'm fine, thanks to God. Now, today I will show you how to write first Java program using Notepad and run and compile using CMD. So, please like, share, subscribe this video. Thank you. Without IDE, either NetBeans or any other IDE, just I show you using Notepad text editor. We have first it is a default or a common text editor Notepad on our computer. So just write Notepad on your search and open the Notepad application here, and you can write your first Java program just like this: public class first Java program. This is the class name of your Java program, and it should be or follow the conventions of identifiers, rules of identifiers, because Java classes and other functions in C++ also have the same identifiers rule. So open the class brace here and also close here and start your main method by public static void main and string args. It is a common array of string declaration here, and it is necessary to close the method void main method here and write a display to display a string constant here system.out.println. This is the first Java program. This is the first Java program using Notepad and CMD. It should be under a double quotation, and close your parentheses and put semicolon, terminate your statement here. In order to double output, copy it and paste new line, just like this. And change the text here. By any text you can compile and run using your Java program using source codes using CMD. Before run, it is necessary or it should be saved by class name .java extension file. As you see here, first Java program dot Java program dot program dot Java. The extension of Java program should be always .java file, and save anywhere that you want to save your source code. Just in our case, I will save from this OOP lab object-oriented programming folder here, this folder, and open another folder, first program. It is new folder, no any other file here, only this file is saved for the first time. And how to compile and run I will show you using CMD. It is just to show you where the file is saved. Open basic course and OOP H8 program, then new created folder OOP lab, then first Java here. This is the last saved Java first Java program source code. This looks like this. Then open your CMD command prompt and how to compile and run I will show you. Open command prompt, then drag it and search or get the current working directory to the file where your file is saved. So please change your directory Now currently it is under C user, so it is better to, or it is necessary to change to D drive, and after that change your working directory here. As you see here, basic course MUOOP program, and then this one, the first step as it enters, the next, okay, CD MUOOP program, program, then enter. It also correct pass. Okay, now just show how many folders are there. OOP lab, yeah, this is the required folder again. Next, CD OOP lab, then press enter. Then there to show how many folders and files are there. The first Java, this folder is required, as you see here. So then next, cd first underscore Java and enter, then finally compile your source code here, because your file is this one, .java file. Your source code is here. F should be capital for your class name, and your saved file name should be the same. So it is better, or it is necessary to rename. It is necessary to rename to first Java program. The first character should be capital. First Java program. So after you rename your file, no changed anyways, can rename here without opening the file. Just yeah, already changed here now. Then you can compile using before compile. Yeah, it is better to check the first Java program should be follow the rules of identifier, especially class convention. The Java first class name first character should be capital. So Java C for Java compiler, then your file name, in our case first Java program .java. The extension of the source code should be necessary. There's something wrong here, on error. S should be capital because system is also class, so class name is always should be capital. The first character should be capital. Then again save it and recompile it again. There is also something wrong. Wait please. Yeah, there's also an error here. System.out.print, no, T is missed here. T is missed, so you should be add T parent .print line. T is missed here, sorry. Okay, then after here there's no error, I think. Compile it again. Java C first Java program .java, press enter. Yeah, it is compiled without error. Then finally we can run the compiled file. We have generated new file, Java first Java program class file, bytecode file here. This is bytecode file and created by Java virtual machine JVM, and we run this source code, this compiled bytecode using CMD. Just only it is enough to write Java space the file name created class file created. So Java space first Java program and run it or enter your run it. It is, yeah, this is the output of your program. This is 2 lines of strings is displayed here. This is the first Java program using Notepad and CMD. You can compile and run your Java source code using CMD. This 2 lines of displayed text is here. So this is how to run and compile and run Java source codes using CMD easily without any IDE, text IDE, just simply by using Notepad with Notepad text editor and CMD command prompt. So this is all about how to run first Java program or simple Java program without any IDE, just simply by using Notepad. And for compile and run the source code, use CMD as a tool. So this is all about the video. Thank you for today's video. Please like, share, subscribe my video. Thank you.